The delivery date for this order is very tight, with less than 2 weeks until the Double 11 shopping festival. We are facing challenges in terms of quantity and delivery time. But XingXing will always find ways to meet the customer's needs within our capabilities. We can definitely accomplish this task. Upon receiving the order, the business department will determine the delivery date and analyze the garment's process to assign the suitable production team. We work efficiently in this process. When we receive a customer's order, we verify and cross-check the design, pattern, TF, and BOM. If any issues arise, we provide feedback for confirmation. We follow a rigorous internal control process during sample making to ensure product quality through multiple tests. To expedite the process, we utilize digital sample technology. Garment digitalization relies on digital sample technology, inspired by the concept of IoT digital twin. XingXing formed a digital team in 2020, and the digitalization process is now well established. In the traditional approach, personnel handle material preparation, sample making, and confirming patterns and samples with the customer before finalizing production specifications. However, with digital sample technology, once digital pattern making is done, we create a visual digital sample model that showcases the garment's appearance and permits prompt modifications. After confirming the digital sample, the technical department produces physical samples. This digitalization has improved communication efficiency and quality control. Digital sample technology streamlined our development process and reduced waste, making it more environmentally friendly and efficient. Although we initially anticipated challenges, our dedicated and cohesive team, including experienced members with over 15 years of tenure, enabled us to achieve a production volume of 4,000 to 5,000 pieces per day near the delivery date. After the production line produces the products, the inspection team conducts product inspections and uploads the results to the server. Once the terminal data is received, we communicate with the frontline colleagues to address any issues and improve employees' skills. This ensures better product quality for our customers. We utilize patented machines to facilitate our colleagues' work on the front line. During the Quick Response project for the Double 11 Shopping Festival, we completed the entire R&D process, from order placement to sample finalization, within 3 days. The learning curve was gradual, therefore we producing nearly 8,000 pieces per day in the final few days. With 15 years of establishment, our 15 years old employees account for 30% of our workforce. We possess excellent R&D capabilities and an asset management system. Additionally, we are increasing our investment in green and renewable energy. At XingXing, we prioritize employee happiness and have fostered a sense of fulfillment. When the company needs us, we collaborate effectively with our dedicated employees.